Hi, this is Nagamani Gorti. My section of assignments included 10 lesson sketches which are completed successfully, including 6 different types of technologies. They are Geometer Sketchpad, GeoGebra, Illuminations, Graphing Calculator, UniversalClass.com, and iExcel. Today I am going to explain one step equation using illuminations. The first we are doing this is the first one is using for the flipping. So my equation is solving one step equation using illuminations. Negative 4 minus x equals to 5. So negative 4 means, so 1 is, if it is yellow block it is positive 1. If it is red it's called negative. If you flip that is called negative. So negative 4 means 4 negative ones is included as negative 4. And negative x means 1 red block. If it is green, positive x. If it is red, it is called negative x. So, which is equals to 5, positive 5. So, that is, so we are bringing 5 yellow blocks. Next, we are adding both sides positive 4. So, positive 4. To cancel negative 4, we are adding both sides positive 4. Now we are using zero pair. Zero pair is using for the cancellation. So one red block and one yellow block both together will be cancelled. So I am using zero pair, so it will be cancelled. Now negative x equals to positive 9 I got. So we want to find positive x. So flip. If you flip negative x, it will becomes positive x, and if you flip positive 9, it will becomes negative 9. So your answer is positive x equals to negative 9. We are continuing the lecture with an explanation of GeoGebra. It's a great interactive tool for students to learn coordinate geometry and algebra. As you can see, this is a web application of GeoGebra software. This can help instructors explain and show the graph which result after equations. Since this window is already used, then we are going to go for a new window. Once we are there, we can use the drag option to place the screen in a good position. There are two examples we look at. One is simple linear pair of equations. The equation is 2x plus y equals to 6. The second one is 3x plus 4y equals to negative 12. Once we are done, we can now create and find the intersection by inputting intersection option. Press intersection A and B. A and B. We can see A and B in algebra window. So the intersecting point is 7.2 comma negative 8.4. So if you drag, we can see the intersecting point in the geometry window. Graphics, that is graphics window. So we can see the point is 7.2 comma negative 8.4. So this is a solving system of equations using GeoGebra. Now we are going to another example of one quadratic equation and one linear equation we are taking. So quadratic equation we are taking y equals to x square. In input window press y equals to x square, enter. Now we are seeing a quadratic equation. The second one is a linear equation, that is 2x plus 3y equals to 5. We are observing the line is intersecting the quadratic equation at two different points. So those 2 points are called solution set points. So now we are pressing in input window intersect A and B, that is your C is it's given it as because we are continuing the problem, so we are using C is y equals to x square and D is the line D equals to 2x plus 3y equals to 5. Now we are finding intersecting points. The two intersecting points are, the one point is 1 1 and the second one is negative 1.67 comma 2.78. These two are called intersecting points. So today we observed system of linear equations. So you are finding intersecting point of linear equations as well as quadratic and linear equation. Continuing the topic of GeoGebra using circumcenter of a triangle. So we are using graphics view. We are keeping the axis in a proper position. Now I am going to polygon window and I am taking that 3 points on different locations, 3 different locations. I am clicking 3 points, that is A, B and C. So now the triangle is formed. Then I am going to intersection window and I am clicking perpendicular bisector. So if I click on sides, I will get perpendicular bisectors. All the 3 perpendicular bisectors are intersecting at one point. So if I want to form a circle, so I have to go to circle window and click on the intersecting point and one vertex. So the circle is formed. So that point is called circumcenter of a triangle. Circumcenter of a triangle means the point of concurrency of all the 3 perpendicular bisectors. So using the graphics view, we can drag and see. Suppose if it is acute angle triangle, the point of concurrency of perpendicular bisectors is inside. If it is obtuse angle triangle, the point of concurrency of perpendicular bisectors is outside. If it is right triangle, that is on the hypotenuse. So these are the differences we can observe using GeoGebra. It is a very great interactive tool for with the clear explanations. our final thing is linear regression using GeoGebra. We have to go to view window and open spreadsheet. So we can see spreadsheet, and we are taking a mock values, that is A and B. We are taking A hours and B is grade. Suppose if a number of hours are more, definitely your grade is more. So like that we are taking a mock data. So we are taking 1 to 10, and we are taking our grade is it's 29, 39, 54, 76, 89, 46, 67. Okay, we are taking a mock data. We completed A and B. Now we are highlighting our A and B data and right click. We are going to create then list points. If you click list of points, we can see in algebra window all the list of points. Then we are adjusting our window, that is using graphics view. If you click on graphics view and drag it down, definitely we can adjust. We can see all our points. Because when in the mock data we did not take properly, that is 8 hours, whoever is working hard 8 hours, then they are getting only 29 as grade. So we are taking only example. Now in input window, fit line list 1, this is list 1. So if you click on that, then we can see the line. Then the line equation, the linear regression equation is y equals to 1.34x plus 44.73. So this is your A value and B value. So now we are adjusting our window, and if you click on the line and going down to objective properties, and we are adjusting our window, show label, its name and point, name and value. So we can see the name and value, that is the line equation we can see. So we are adjusting so that we can see the scatter plot and the linear regression. Overall, so we can observe from this, suppose if the value of A is the value of A is 1.34x, that is A value is positive. If A value is positive, so we can see the line is it is moving, it's somewhat up. Suppose if the value of A is negative, definitely it is a negative linear regression. Means suppose the number of hours are more, definitely they are getting very less grade. Here only 1 or 2 points only it is giving conflict. So that's why the line is it is showing like that. Suppose if the value of A is negative, now we are observing it is showing in the negative part. That means linear regressions, the hours are more, number of hours are more, and the grade is less. It is showing negative impact. So this is a linear regression. This is about linear regression. So we can change A value and B value and we can observe. Overall, I have learned so many things about technology. and surely I am giving assurance that I am going to integrate in my classroom with these technologies. So, in using a graphing calculator, we are doing linear regression the same way like GeoGebra. Even using spreadsheet also we can do linear regression. And I did IXL, that is also very using and interactive tool for students. Thank you.